The government is defending the appointment of Danville Walker as Managing Director of Petrojam. Mr. Walker's appointment took effect on July 1. Now, before his appointment, Mr. Walker resigned as Senior Vice President at West Indies Petroleum following concerns about conflict of interest. Opposition spokesman on energy, Philip Paulwell, raised the matter in Parliament on Tuesday.
Potential conflicts have been resolved in relation to your new Managing Director.
The MD of Petrojam, that's an administrative procedure. That has nothing to do with the minister or the ministry. And in my usual style, everything that is done according to the letter of the process. And I make sure that I impress that, because I know that at some point, questions like what you just asked are going to come up. And you have somebody who is competent, who has gone through a process, who has a proven track record, including an order of Jamaica, yes, who is patriotic, and who is up to the challenge of what we just spoke about in terms of getting better oil prices for Jamaica so that we can bring the price of oil down right across the board. Thank you.